Here we have a real life application problem dealing with percentages. And it says approximately 11% of the population is left-handed. If a school has 128 left-handed students, approximately how many students total attend the school? So first of all, let's try to determine what we don't know. What are we not given in this problem? And I think what we're not provided is the total number of students that go to the school. So let's call that a variable name like X or Y. I think I'll use the letter N for number of students. So this is the total number of students total at the school, not just left-handed students, but the entire student body. All right, and let's take that N, that variable, and combine it with the 128 and 11% to try to write a math equation that represents the situation. So just through reading, what I see is that 11%, so 0.11, 11% of the entire student body, which would be 11.11 times n, equals the number of left-handed students we have, which is equals 128. So let's read through this one more time just to make sure it sounds right. So we have 128 left-handed students, we know, and then 11% of the total student body is left-handed, which is represented on the right-hand side. So these are in fact equal, so all we have to do now is solve for the n. It's pretty straightforward. We'll divide by the variable's coefficient. So we'll divide the left side by 0.11 and the right side by 0.11. And so n would be, we'll go to our calculator, we'll take 128 divided by 0.11 and we'd get 1163.63. Now you can't have a half of a person or a decimal part of a person, so we will round this up to 1,164 students approximately. 1,164 students. And that's total at the school. And this is an approximation. It's not an exact equality because we rounded, but there's approximately 1,164 students at the school.